Pixci AI review. Hey guys, this is Shayan from nkacademy.com and welcome to my Pixci AI review. So in a nutshell, Pixci AI is a brand new AI-based software that can help you to generate AI-based images without using prompt. Yes, you have heard it right. You don't need to write a prompt. Rather, it has done for you workloads right here, as you can see. There are over 150 done for you workloads in different aspects, which you can use to readily produce images for you. Now, the best part, for all of these images, you can use different AIs like Dalle-3, you can use Stable Diffusion, you can use Dalle version 2, you can use Playground, you can use Segmind, you can use Pixel Art, you can use Leonardo AI. So as you might be working on other tools, they use only one of these, right? You can't get a mixture of all of that. But Pixci AI actually allows you to choose any of these models. And the best part, Pixci AI has a deep learning by means of which it knows which AI is best suited for which purpose. And again, as I told you, the best part over here is that on this left hand side, as you can see, these are all done for you workloads. You don't need to actually type in any prompt. Say for example, you want a YouTube thumbnail design. You can just come over here. The prompt is already written. You can click and select YouTube thumbnail. And then in here, you just need to enter the theme of the thumbnail and what to write on the thumbnail, and boom, you are done with it. You can also go ahead and select different AIs to create the thumbnail for yourself as well. Now, if all of this sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Pixci AI review, because I have got you covered with a complete demo of Pixci AI. As you can see over here, I have got myself Pixci AI, so I'm going to give you every little detail of how to use it wisely to make money. Plus, I do have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses as well for this Pixci AI review. Now, if you wish to check out all of my bonuses anytime during this Pixci AI review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. All the features you can see over here, all the different models, AI models that Pixci AI uses are written over here. So you can go through this at your own time. Then in here, you can see all the kind of graphics that you can go ahead and produce. Like you can use secret models, you can use all the leading image creation models, you can even use uncensored models, you can save your prompt and workflows and whatnot. There are a ton of features. You can just go through this at your own time. And in here, you can see all the different workloads. Now, there are 150 plus already done for you, and there are many which are cooking as well. With that being said, if you scroll further down, you are going to find my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are insane. I have given you different cloud-based software, like I've given you graphic software, I've given traffic software, I've given you video building softwares, I've given you funnel building software, membership site building software, I've given you local marketing based softwares, like I've given you website builder, local marketing, reputation builder. I've given you done for you funnels as well, from where you can make a lot of money. I have also given you 100 plus software with reseller license to each of them. I've given you courses, premium courses with all rights to you, and all of these you can get even if you pick up only the front end of Pixci AI. With that being said, if you scroll further down on my bonus page, you can find a second section over here on my bonuses. In here, as you can see, exclusive bonuses for people who pick up any 2 or more upgrades of Pixci AI or the bundle deal of Pixci AI, then you are going to get these additional bonuses. Remember, all of the front end bonuses you are going to get anyways, but if you pick up the bundle deal, you are going to get an additional of nearly 25 to 30 premium software. And the best part, most of this software have reseller rights to them as well. That means they have a done for you reseller panel from where you can add users and you can even charge them monthly as well. Now, there are a ton of bonuses, as you can see already scrolling through my screen. So it's not possible for me to go through all of this during this short Pixci AI review. So I do request you to please go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page and check out for yourself how premium all of my bonuses are. With that being said, now it's time for a Pixci AI demo. Then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that Pixci AI has, and I'll be also telling you about a special deal, that is the bundle deal that they have, and I'll be saving you with a coupon code as well. With that being said, if that sounds interesting again, then please stick on with me till the end of this Pixci AI review. Hey, welcome to this Pixci AI demo within the Pixci AI review. And as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like. So it's a plain and simple one. The images that you create with Pixci AI would be saved under this My Images. So if you click on that, this will take you to all the images that you have created so far. You can just go ahead and download them as well. You can just click on them and you can go ahead and download them. You can share them, or you can also delete them as well. That's up to you. With that being said, in order to create a brand new image, you just need to come over to dashboard. And on this left hand side, you can find all the predefined workloads. Now, as I've already told you, there are over 150 done for you workloads. So again, it's not going to be possible for me to go through all of them right now. But what I really want to show you is the power that it has. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can create AI images using Pixci AI. So for this, we'll click on create image, and in here it actually asks you to select the AI model. So you can go ahead and select anyone. Say for example, we use Stable Diffusion. Just for example, you could have gone ahead and selected Dalle-3. You could have gone ahead to select Deep AI, whatever you wish to, right? So I'm going to use Stable Diffusion, and then in here, this is the only where you want to write a prompt. So what we want the output is a village road, maybe, right? So let's type in the prompt. Say I've given something like a countryside road with sun in the horizon. As simple as it could be, right? Now in here, we can select the number of images that we want to generate. That's up to us. Then we can select the image size that we want to generate. And again, in the advanced option, you get many other options, like what kind of image you want. Say I want a photographic image, I can select that. If I want an anime, I can do that. If I want a digital ad, I can do that. If I want a cinematic one, I can do that. So all of that is possible, right? So let's go for a photographic one. And then we have the CFG scale as well. We can increase or decrease it depending on what we exactly require. Then there's the seed option. Then there's the generation steps. So the more the generation steps, the better the results are, but then you are going to be late in getting them, and also a little bit more credits would be used. So now once this is done, we'll click on save, and then we'll click on generate. Now before that, I want to show you that this will use up only 5 credits. So that's quite cool. Now that being said, let's hit on generate, and boom, you can see we have come up over here. As you can see, it's a countryside road with sun in the horizon. So quite good, right? But if you want to actually see a variation, what you can do is that you can go ahead and go back to create image again and provide the same prompt. This time we are going to use some other AI, say for example Dalle-3, just for an example, right? And then we can actually hit on generate, and boom, you can see over here the result has been generated. So this one was generated using Dalle-3, and the previous one was generated using Stable Diffusion. So that is the magic of Pixci AI, because using the same tool, you can use different AI models to give a different flavor to your imagination. So that is the best part of Pixci AI, because otherwise all the other image generator uses only one AI. That means they have a fixed pattern of creating images, whereas with this you can actually go around and change the pattern whenever you want to, and this gives a fresh air to your designs. You can just click on download, and in here you can download it at any resolution that you want to. Say for example, I want it at 1024px, then I'll select that, and boom, it would be downloaded. So that's how easy things are with Pixci AI. Now that being said, that was only one workflow that I have shown you. Remember, there are over 150 workflows that we have. It's like this one over here, modify image. This can help you to actually modify one image into multiple images using different kind of background props and different things, right? Then there's create logo. If you want to create a logo, you can do that. Say for example, I want to create a logo, just click on create logo, and in here you can find all the AIs that are good at creating logos. So you can go ahead and select any one of them, and then in here you need to enter the detail of your business. Then you can go ahead and upscale an image. So if we go for this, just click on upscale image, and in here you can see by default Pixci AI has found Stable Diffusion is the best for this, but then again you can go ahead and choose any one of these, right? These are all which can upscale your image. So as you can see, for different workloads there are different options of AI. So that is the AI learning that is inbuilt within Pixci that allows it to actually give you the options which are relevant, right? Now this can be used to actually upscale any of your image that you might have which are blurry. You can remove the background. Again, if we choose on remove background, you can see over here it will give you different options like Stable Diffusion background removal is a AI, and then segment background removal. So depending on what workload you use, the options varies, and that's where Pixci AI helps you. In the similar way, you can go ahead and actually go and design anything and everything you want to. Now all of these are pretty much self-explanatory. Like this one, remove watermark. Say for example, you have got something from an internet which has got watermark on it. So if you want to remove that, you can do this using this workload. Now on this left hand side, again, as I've already told you, there are over 150 plus done for you workloads. So it's not really possible for me to go through all of this right now. Like you can go ahead and add sunglasses to your existing picture. You can change your photo to cartoon, your photo to anime. All of these are pretty useful tasks that you can do with your photos. You can create a collage, you can create hyper realistic image, you can actually convert it to 3D rendering and whatnot. There are plenty of options that, as you can see on the left hand side. Now you can convert any of your normal images to a business image as well. You can get it on the beach as well. You can get it for summer holiday as well. So you can refresh the mood, the place, everything that you want to, right? So that's quite cool. What I like the best about Pixci AI is that it has given you all of these done for you workloads where they have taken care of the prompt so that you don't need to know anything on prompt engineering, yet you can produce some good results. And again, another best part that I like about it is this options in choosing the AI, because Pixci AI goes a step ahead in recommending the best AI models for the purpose that you have selected. And you have the options of selecting any one of those best. So that's quite a good thing to have. With that being said, I'm really liking this tool. And if you are too, and if you really want to pick up Pixci AI, then why not via my link? Because I'm giving you the best in class bonuses that you can have for this Pixci AI review. If you wish to check out my bonuses again, then all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should again take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would head over to Pixci AI sales page that should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. You can watch out this video from the vendor as well. And then you can check out all the different things that are in the sales page. And once you like what you are seeing, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to Pixci AI along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost right inside your JVZoo dashboard. With that being said, if you find any difficulties in accessing the bonuses or getting them, you can always reach out to me on this WhatsApp number that you can see on screen below. So now it's time for the pricing that it has. The front end is going to be priced at $47 only. Now, if you wish to know what is the difference between this front end and this pro, you just need to scroll down on my bonus page over here. And in here, you can see on the front end, you get 7 AIs with 30,000 credits and 80 workflows included. But if you go for the pro version, which is the upgrade one, which would cost you only about $67, it actually unlocks more professional features of Pixci AI. It gives you 8 more additional AIs that takes the total to 15. And then you get 70 more workflows that takes the total to 150. And then you get around 1 lakh credits, which is quite amazing thing to have. Then it also gives you the ability to add custom workflows as well. So if we go inside of Pixci AI, there is this option to add custom workflows where you can actually add a workload. You can add your own custom prompts and design it as a workload as well. But remember, this is on the pro version. Now, the next upgrade that they have is the reseller. Now, again, if you wish to know what is on the reseller, you can just come up over here. And in here, you can see you can get 75 licenses per reseller purchase. That means you can sell out 75 editions of Pixci AI. And that can be a real profit making one for yourself. Then there's the AI Collective Pro. Now, this is a AI content creator. Now, remember, you have got the images, but then if you want to content creator, if you want to use the different AI writers model that they have, then you need to go for this AI Collective Pro. And this is one of the recommended upgrades, because only having picture doesn't help you to grow online. You need to have good content as well. And this is going to help you over there. So this is going to cost $67. Then there's Voicey AI, again, a AI based voiceover software. So now you have got a content writer, you have got the images, and now you get the voiceover as well, so that you can go ahead and even create videos. You can use different images and give voiceover on them, and you can use them as videos as well. So that's quite a cool stuff to have. The last but not the least one is the Mighty Memes Pro, which should cost you $67, right? Now, with that being said, if you go by my recommendation, if you are wishing to pick up the reseller, then I would suggest you to take a look at the bundle deal. Now, to check out the bundle deal, you just need to scroll all the way down on my bonus page, and in here you can find the bundle deal over here. So if you go down and click on any of these buttons, this will actually take you over to the bundle deal sales page. That should look like this. And in here you get everything right up from the front end to all the audio at only $247. So that's an absolute no-brainer deal to have. It would be priced at $297, but then you can apply this coupon code Pixci AI to get $50 off, and this should take the pricing down to $247. And again, at $247, it's an absolute no-brainer to have, because not only you get everything on Pixci AI, but also you get my custom bonuses for the bundle deal as well. So with that being said, to sum up this Pixci AI review, I'd say that if you go for my recommendation, then the bundle deal is a great deal to have. If you wish to check out the bundle deal, you just need to scroll all the way down on my bonus page, and in here you can click on any of these buttons to get hold of the bundle deal. And if you are short on budget, then you must consider picking up the front end, which should cost you only $47, the pro at $67, and the AI Collective at $67. So that should really help you in building up a stable business using AI. With that being said, again, all of these recommendations are based on my personal experience and expertise. You can feel free to act according to your experience and expertise as well. So with that being said, it wraps up my Pixci AI review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Pixci AI review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care. Bye bye.